You're still watching our Apoy episode, and it's now time for our Excuse Me.
Yes, at narito muli sina Bella Padilla and Rocco Nacino para maging Excuse Me Masters today.
All right.
That is us.
We're gonna give you a hard time.
Masters pa tayo. Be ready.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
You're ready.
Okay. Question number 1.
Sound
effects.
Anong period unang natutunan ng taong gamitin ang apoy sa pagluto?
Letter A.
Late Ice Age,
Letter B.
Early Stone Age,
And letter C.
Bronze Age. Excuse me? Go!
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna try Bronze Age.
Stone Age.
That's 1 point. 1-0. Okay.
Spoon, pang kiss-kiss nga naman nila ng apoy yun.
Malay mo ba na una yung...
Alright,
Are you ready?
The second question.
Go. Question
Ang
number
water
2.
ay isa sa mga mabisang pampatay sa apoy. Water is made up of the elements hydrogen and
Black.
blank.
Hydrogen and blank. Excuse me? Go!
Oxygen.
Woo! 2-0. 2-0. Alright, so alam natin kung sino panalo.
Okay, number 3. Ang poy ay isang salitang blank.
Blank.
In other words, anong language galing ang poy? A.
Mahirap sabihin. Tama ba? Maori?
B. Italian. Or C.
Chinese.
Excuse
Tinirapan
me.
mo ako,
Go!
Look it up! Maori!
Yay!
You won.
I think you can win this too.
Oh.
Anong buwan ang Fire Prevention Month? Excuse me. Go.
March!
Correct! You got 2 points.
Each.
So, you wanna ask a question? Personal question? Or
Personal
something?
question.
Pwede. Pahula ng age.
Hulaan ang age ni Bella.
A. 18. B. 19. Or C. 20. Excuse me.
Go!
Oh. 19?
Yay!
We have a winner!
Got the prize. The last question was really hard.
Thank you so
Thank you so
much.
much.
Thank you,
Our
guys.
questions are really super relevant. Thank you so much.
That was the
Thank you,
hardest
Multi Moms.
one. Thank you, guys. Ayan, maraming salamat ulit sa ating